Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through moving your files from OneDrive directly onto your PC step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to take your important documents, photos, or anything else from the cloud and make sure they're safely stored right on your computer. This is super handy if you want offline access or you just like having an extra backup. Let's jump right in so you can get those files where you want them. First up, go ahead and open the OneDrive app on your device. You can usually find the app in your Start menu on Windows, or if you're using the browser version, just sign in at OneDrive.com. The interface is pretty straightforward, but take a moment to let it load up. Sometimes, depending on your connection, it might take a few extra seconds to pull in all your recent files. Once you're in, browse through your folders and select the files you want to move. You can select a single file, or if you're doing a bulk transfer, hold down the Control key on your keyboard and click multiple files. If you're using a touchscreen, tap each file you want to include. Getting this selection right is important because you don't want to forget anything. If you're unsure, it's perfectly fine to double-check your selection before moving on. Now, with your files highlighted, you're going to click on the Share button. Sometimes people wonder why we use Share instead of just downloading, and here's why. The Share function in OneDrive gives you more control over where and how you send your files, and it's integrated with your Windows system. So click Share and a new menu will pop up. From here, look for the option that says Send to Windows. It may sound a little technical, but all it's doing is letting you transfer your files directly to your PC without lots of extra steps. If you don't see it right away, scroll through the available sharing options. Once you find Send to Windows, go ahead and click it. This is OneDrive's way of interfacing directly with your computer's storage. Think of it like sending a letter directly to your home address rather than making a stop along the way. After you choose Send to Windows, OneDrive will ask you to select a folder on your PC. This part is crucial because you want to keep your files organized and easy to find later on. You'll see a typical Windows folder selection window pop up. Take your time here. You might want to create a special folder for your OneDrive transfers or just pick Documents, Desktop, or wherever feels right for you. It's okay if you need a moment to browse or even quickly make a new folder. Organization pays off in the long run. Once you've got your destination picked out, you just need to click Select Folder, and that's it. The files will start downloading and moving to the spot you chose on your computer. Depending on how many files you're transferring and your internet speed, this might take a little while. Don't worry if it feels slow, just let it finish and you'll have everything safely on your PC, ready to go whenever you need it, even without internet access. That's the whole process. See, not too complicated once you break it down, and now you don't have to stress about losing track of your important files in the cloud. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or get stuck on a step, drop a comment down below. I'm always happy to help out. And of course, don't forget to subscribe if you want more clear, easy guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.